This is my intro. Hey loves, it's me, Destiny, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I moisturize my locks. And so I'm just going to jump right into it because it is very, very simple. So first things first, I start off by dampening my locks with some bottled water. And the reason why I use bottled water is because tap water here it's too hard. It's too hard. You might as well just pick up some rocks and just slap it on your head because it's just real hard. So that is why I like using bottled water. Okay. And so I don't know if anybody else does this, but I also squeeze the water into my locks because for some reason the water just runs right down. It is not like I have a hard time getting the moisture to stay in my locks. So I just give it a little squeeze, make sure everything's damp. It doesn't have to be sopping wet. Okay, so then I take my little oil mixture. All I have in this little oil mixture is sweet almond oil, castor oil, and jojoba oil. And castor oil is really, really thick, and so I don't use too much of that, but I do try and use the even amount of all the oils. And all I do, hold on. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. And so all I do is just section my hair, however. And the reason why I'm doing it like this is just to help, show you guys, just to demonstrate, but this is not normally how I moisturize. Literally. That's all I do. I know it's like reckless and it does not look like I'm doing anything, but this is legit how I do it. I just go row by row. And it's so simple because the hair is already damp. And so the oil just glides right on. I have semi-thick locks, so this helps ensure that all of my roots are well moisturized. And now for the body, since it did kind of dry out a little bit, I just take a little bit more water. And for the body, I do not add a lot of oil, but I do add oil because castor oil mixed with jojoba oil and sweet almond oil, I don't know what it does, but it softens up my hair so much. This is just a magical combination for me, so I have been sticking to this. It literally softens my hair upon contact. It's crazy. So I just use a little bit and I just go throughout my locks, and I make sure I get my ends too, because your ends are your oldest part of your locks, so you have to make sure you take good care of them because they will snap off. Alright, and honestly, that's it. That simple, that's it. There's nothing fancy to it. I may, style it, or, of course I retwist it, or I may even crochet. Alright, so that does it for this video. I know it was very short, but that's honestly all I do. So you guys have a good one, and I'll see you all next time.